Hello students, today we are going to learn strengthening exercises of your shoulders. Today whichever exercise we will do, all the 4 exercises, it will be only of your shoulders. 4 or 5 exercises, whichever we do today, it will be for your strengthening of your shoulders, okay? But before we do our shoulder strengthening exercise, I had told you before video also, first you have to do your warm-up exercise of standing warm-up exercise from your head till your toe, and then stretching exercises, and then you have to do your workout whichever we do today, okay? Whenever I give any video, first you have to start with your warm-up exercise and then you have to do whatever workout I give you, okay? Chalo, now let's start with the exercise. So let's start with the exercise, okay? Come on, first you have to sit down. The first exercise is sitting down. Take your hand forward, okay? And touch the ground, okay? You have to touch the ground, okay? The video is not clear, 1 minute, huh? Just, we'll take it more behind it, we'll take it here, okay? Good. Okay, this is plan, okay? You have to be on your this part, you have to go down and you have to hold, okay? For 10 seconds, you have to look forward, okay? Your backbone should be straight, okay? Don't bend it down and your legs should be together. Hold it there, at least for 20 seconds you have to hold there, okay? Unless it pains here and your back, you should hold it there. At least for 20 seconds you have to hold, okay? And then after finishing the exercise, relax very slowly, you have to come up, okay? Come up. Very slowly, you have to come up and stand straight, okay? This was your first exercise for your shoulders, okay? This exercise when you do, you have to do it for 20 to 30 seconds. And if you can do more, it is much better. But don't put more stress, okay? Second exercise now. The second is push-ups, okay? We also call it as dips, okay? So push-ups is of 2 types. One is for small children, that means from age of 4 to 10 or 11, okay? And then the other push-up is for everyone. Anyone can do it, okay? The first push-up is little bit difficult, okay? So let us see how we do it, okay? Come on, get ready. Go down. This push-up is little bit difficult, okay? Look forward, okay? You have to be on your hand, okay? Straight hand. Don't take your hand more wide. Take it close, okay? 1 and look forward. 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay? Get up. Now this is one type of push-ups, okay? This push-ups, if you are able to do, anyone can do it, okay? And the other one, it is called as modified push-up or push-ups for girls, okay? And the push-up for girls is also applicable for smaller children also, okay? So get ready. Now second, modified push-ups, okay? In this, you have to bend your knee. That means your knee will be touching the ground. And you have to put your leg one upon the other. And then you have to start, okay? So 1. This is little bit simple. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, get up. We are doing it only 5 times. You have to do it at least 10. Then next time when you do, you can do it 12. You can increase day by day once you do it, okay? Understood? This is 2 types of push-up I have showed you. One is difficult push-up, that is for elder ones, and the other one is modified push-up or we can also call this for push-up for girls, okay? Understood? Whichever you are comfortable, you can do that exercise, okay? Now the third one. Now the other exercise for your shoulder is, see the demo? Look it very carefully, okay? Come on, go down. First you have to go down and then you have to count on your own. For him I am counting, okay? 1. When I say 1, your left leg and your right hand will touch. 2. Again, other hand, left hand and right leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, get up. Now this exercise we did only of 10 counts. You can do of 20 counts also if you are able to do. But don't stress your body, okay? That means don't put more pressure on your body. Do it how much you can, okay? Don't overdo the exercise. Otherwise there are chances of injury, okay? Understood? Now the next exercise. Now the last exercise is also a little bit difficult, okay? Get ready. Look at the demo. Ready? You have to sit like a plank, how you did for the first exercise, okay? Come on, 1. You have to go up, look at your palm. This is your palm, okay? Down. 2. Down. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 and 10. Okay, when you do this exercise, it is very important that someone should help you, okay? Because small children, someone should help. Elder ones, you can do it on your own also, okay? Do it on a soft or take a mat. Do it on a mat, okay? Don't do it on the floor, okay? Okay, students. So whichever exercise we did today are a little bit difficult, but if you try it, you can do it very properly, okay? You have to do 2 sets of each exercise. That means first all 4 exercises you do it together, 1 set, and then the second set, that means all exercise together. First you have to do your warm-up exercise of standing exercise, and then stretching exercise, and then you have to do this workout, okay? Best of luck. God bless you all.